Yo, what's up? It's Amos.
And it's Ginny Boo. You gotta turn up the music.
Yeah. So you can hear us like men.
Yeah.
Anyways, we made a video yesterday. God, Adam, really? He has to call me now? Oh my god.
Hello?
This is Jen. Jen's on the phone right now, and she'll be back. Anyways, I think I heard it sometime last week. I think it was last week. I'm not really for sure if it was last week, but I know don't ever play with
Are
nuts.
you allowed in there?
And yeah, I don't know. Jen's talking about something not being allowed anywhere. She's flirting. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just kind of going whatever.
So are you ready to dance with me tonight?
Adam's gonna dance with these. I'm going
Wow.
extremely hot. Woo!
Huh?
Good kisser too. Oh yeah.
I'm not gonna find you.
It's gonna make fun of her. Found a bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Holla.
No, I don't promise you. I really kind of do.
Jenny Boo, everybody say hi. Holla.
Huh?
We made a video on here about it was outside somewhere and we're running around. It was really funny and I can't believe it did not upload. I was so freaking pissed because my phone not my phone, my freaking phone. I mean my computer totally just was low battery and went down. And shit is still on the phone.
It's not that hard. You just have to go in your
Adam, you just have to grind. That's all. Jim will grind for you. Holla! Oh holla!
I'll grind on you. How about that? How about that? That's the easiest dance.
It's a zebra.
I'll grind on
Zebra,
you.
zebra, zebra. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Room is, room is, room is. Room is, room is. Room is, room is.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
Anyway, that's what most people do now.
Like-
Ways is fucking wrong.
locusts with lip balm.
So, we're just see when we get there, okay?
And this video is gonna be longer than your face.
Really, Emily?
No, Jen!
Huh?
OMG! No, just kidding.
Wait, come on. Is it like anthems or like that? No, Emily just wants me out for dancing. So, yeah.
Be surprised! Holla!
Huh? She wants to surprise you. I'm just kidding.
Ruiner. Just kidding. Look at her! She's an imposter! That's not Jenny Boo at all.
No,
She's too
I don't
hot.
know. I don't know. She just wants me out to dance, so.
Well, Jen, hurry up. We gotta end this.
Alright, well, hey, I'll play back from here.
Ooh!
Alright, bye.
Holla! Anyways, I was just got done talking to a hot guy. Oh. Anyways,
Sorry I wasn't here. I was talking.
she starts eventually.
Oh my god. Ugh.
Anyways,
I'm good.
never mind. Well, we're gonna leave, and I did most of the video. This is called the Nobody Cared video.
Guys, do you want to hear a weird sound? Ready?
Nobody cares.
Nobody cares.
Well, we're gonna go now, okay? Because we gotta get ready for the dance and shake it like it's hot. Shake it like a milkshake.
shake
Shake
my
it like a
big
milkshake.
booty.
Shake it.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Shake your booty. Look at that. Oh my god.
Inappropriate. No one saw that.
No one saw that.
Okay, but really, we gotta go. So we'll say bye for now.
And, okay, bye.
Boy.
No, we didn't.
Oh shit.
I'm sorry, guys. End it. Now.